Hello everyone, we're back to the 80s part 2. Okay, we have this box here. This is the way the box came. It actually fits on the bench. We have this box. Then we also have this package. And I got more on the way. So, let's just cut this box open and see what's inside of it. We're gonna be committed here. Sure, in frame. Let's see what's in the box. Ooh. Yeah, bubble wrap. We have something we'll put over here. Oh, we've got more stuff. Okay, we have a logic pack. This is for doing programmable logic devices. A lot of the modern programmers, they will not do a lot of the older logic. So, yeah, it had a busted connector, but he included a connector. This seller is just totally awesome. He's got a lot of stuff. And the stuff looks really good. I hope I can get that off. But the stuff looks really decent. Yeah. 303A V4. Not kick the tripod. And then this here is the 303A-011A. This is the adapter for programming, version 13. Not sure if that goes up higher or not, but there's a big community. I'll link it in the description. But that would go on there, and then this pack goes inside, so it's really stacking. So, well, the dogs decided to do their thing. Let's grab some scissors here. And yeah, there's multiple of these adapters for different logic, and I just went through the list of the logic that I've wanted to be able to program that my current Zeltec stuff don't have support for. So, and I just got those adapters. But the adapters pop up all the time on eBay, and they're really inexpensive, like this one here. Yeah, this was what, $20. And they're gonna all need a little bit of work. They're not 100% ready to go. They need gone through. Priority mail dunnage. So, and there this one is. That is a, see, like this one, the sockets are definitely gonna have to probably be replaced. This is a 303A-004. And it's got a little dent. I think it'll work. I'll go through it under the magnifier. Look, it might have some busted traces right there. I don't know. Let's see if we can zoom in there. It's got a little bit of busted traces, but all that stuff's repairable. So, I mean, you want to compare this to a Zeltec. Let me just grab a 6100 here. Yeah. I mean, it's larger than a modern programmer. So. But, yeah, now I'll be able to do a lot of the older logic. I still have a few adapters on my list, but I'm not going to pay no more than $20, $30 a piece for them. Because they're going to maybe be used once every year or two, maybe. I don't know. Depends. So, we'll catch y'all later. Maybe we'll do a part 3. We'll probably be doing a part 3. See ya.